Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you the process how you can sign in into your Starbucks account. Now for that, first of all, you open a browser and then open a new tab, and there on the search bar type in www.starbucks.com and press enter. This will direct you to the Starbucks web page. Now here you need to click on sign in on the top right corner. Click on sign in. Now to get sign in, you need to provide your email address or the username for the account. Then below you type in your password and click on sign in. With this, you will be easily signed in into your Starbucks account. This is how you can easily sign in into your Starbucks account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and update. Thank you.